Super Bowl! Super Bowl! Super Bowl time! Enjoy yourself, folks! Hello folks, this is Aunty Rose's kitchen again. Remember, Super Bowl is coming up. So what I'm going to do right now, I have some cooked pulled pork here. It's already cooked and I'm going to make some of the best sandwiches that you have ever seen. These are the buns, which is, oh, they are great buns. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to warm it up for a few more minutes in the microwave. Okay, as you can see here, wow, the aroma. And this was seasoned. I cooked the pork first and I shredded it. A little salt, pepper, barbecue sauce, and also garlic, not much, and a pinch of salt. Okay, so I'm gonna take it over to the microwave here. What I'm doing here, I'm putting the pulled pork, barbecue pulled pork, in these lovely rolls. Wow, look at it. You can just pass by and just grab one of these lovely sandwiches. Wow, pulled pork. Pulled pork. I love pulled pork. The aroma of the pulled pork. Wow. You like pulled pork? Wow. Pulled pork sandwiches. Wow, the aroma. These are lovely pulled pork sandwiches from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Super Bowl time? Yes. Delicious. Please subscribe and hit that bell. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Super Bowl! Super Bowl! Super Bowl time! Enjoy yourself, folks. Please enjoy yourself. Bye! Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Wow!